Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Smooth Love Potion token, guys. You already know about the Smooth Love Potion, that it is a profitable coin, and nowadays it is a trending coin. A lot of people want to buy more and more SLP coin, but you know what? The future of SLP is also bright. I'm just joking with all of you. Guys, don't be serious about SLP. SLP is a profitable coin. Be satisfied about that. Because it is just a beginning. That's why the price of the SLP is gradually increasing, not a quick jump over. But you know what? It's the last of August. It's the last of August. My technical analysis tells us that it's the last of August. Higher possibilities. 70% possibilities that the price will take a quick jump and that will make you millionaire. So this is why, guys, that's a very update video for all of you to please buy now more and more, because now the price of the SLP is low, but you know what, after few months the price of SLP will be high. So buy now at this time. Anyways, you can see, my friends, that every day, every hour, the price of the SLP smooth low portion is increasing. So that's why, guys, please buy now more and more smooth low portion coin. They will make you millionaire, guys, believe me. And now you already know about that. In nowadays, a lot of people want to invest in this coin. It is a viral coin in nowadays, guys. So if you want profit and if you want to make money with the cryptocurrencies, so smooth low portion is a big opportunity with all of you. Buy now and just hold for the end of 2021. Hope you get a huge profit. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.